Tell me when, Charles. I'm live? Tell me when. Hey everybody, it's Walker and Frankie at Full Spectrum Laser, and welcome to In the Cut, where we just watch the laser kind of do its thing. So earlier this week, we did this engraving on some coated metal on our CO2 hobby laser, and that took about 5 minutes. And today we're gonna do the fiber with Frankie. I like the way that sounds. That's why we got our gogs on, yeah? So, we're gonna have them duke it out, which one's stronger, faster, bigger, and better for your application. Whatever's the best for your application, that's what's really important. So this is gonna show you the comparison, and we're gonna get started, and you're gonna see how fast this is, because it's like crazy science stuff, how fast this is. So if you blink, do it now. So as you can see, there's a red diode that's tracing the actual image real time, really fast, and that's where the design's gonna be, and 36 seconds we'll have it done. So let's get going. All right, so you can see the difference in the picture right here, right there. That's the actual CO2 engraving, and this is the fiber engraving, if it focuses. Well, we'll do a comparison. We'll grab the two pictures. We'll see the difference. That is extremely fast. I'm blown away at how sciencey and craziness that is. Like,
very fast, very accurate.
Seconds, you can do 10 of these in the time you can do it with a CO2 laser. Craziness. So we'll put those together. You guys will see the difference and make a decision on what's best for your application. And until next time, keep making.